Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of our Python playlist. If you are just getting started with Python, this video is for you. Today we will be setting up everything you need. Python, VS Code and the best extensions to make the coding super easy for you. So let's get started. First, let's install Python. You can use any browser of your choice. I'm using Edge here. Open your browser and search for Python download. Click the first link, which is the Python's official website, python.org. Here you will see the latest version of Python. Click on download 3.13.2. Once inside the download page, scroll down and you will see different options based on your operating system. For Mac OS user, download the Mac OS version. For Windows user, make sure to select either the 64-bit or 32-bit version depending on your operating system. As soon as you click on the appropriate option, the download will begin. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, open the installer and let's proceed with the installation. As soon as you reach the installation page, click on Customize Installation. Make sure all the checkboxes are selected. Then click Next. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure that the Add Python to Environment Variable option is enabled. This step is crucial as it allows you to use Python from the command line effortlessly. Once everything is set, click Install and let the installation process complete. Once the installation is complete, open the command prompt and then type python --version and press enter. If you see the Python version displayed, it means that the installation was successful. However, if the version is not shown, it means there was an issue with the installation. In that case, try reinstalling Python. Ensure that the Add Python to Environment Variable option is enabled during installation. Next, we need a good code editor, and my personal favorite is Visual Studio Code. VS Code is a lightweight yet powerful code editor developed by Microsoft, which is completely free and comes with a variety of features that makes coding in Python easier and more efficient. VS Code is the perfect choice for writing and running Python program, so let us download and set it up. Open your browser and search for VS Code download for Windows or VS Code downloads for Mac, depending on your operating system. Click on the first link, which will take you to the official Visual Studio Code website. On the download page, you will see three options: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Select the one that matches your operating system and click download. As soon as you click, the download will begin. Once the download is complete, open the installer and proceed with the installation using the default settings. Once installed, open VS Code and now let's set up some must-have VS Code extension for Python development. The first extension you need is Python by Microsoft. It helps with syntax highlighting, code suggestion, and debugging. Next, install Pylance for better intelligence. And at the end, Code Runner to quickly run Python script inside VS Code. Once these are installed, you're all set to start coding in Python. Let's test if everything is working correctly. Open VS Code and create a new folder, name it Python. Inside the Python folder, right click and select Open with Code. If the option doesn't appear, follow this alternative method. Go to the top of the screen where the file path is displayed. Click on the path and type cmd, then press enter. This will open command prompt in the current directory. In the command prompt, type code space full stop and press enter. This will open VS Code for the current working directory. Once VS Code is open, create a new file and save it as app.py. Inside the file, write the following Python code. Print hello Python. Now click run on the top right corner. And boom, Python is running inside VS Code. And that's it. Now you have Python, VS Code, and all the essential tools to start coding. In the next video, we will dive into writing your first Python program. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.